Hello guys, welcome to CI online program. We are dealing with the subject of the digital basic technology. On that we are learning about the units of binary in the last video session. Now today I will tell you how to do this activity which is given to you in the last WhatsApp group. So please complete that activity. I just show you how to practice that, how to solve the activity sheet. Okay? From the activity sheet, we will, the first question is example. I will tell you about example. For example, I am giving you this is the example question. We have to know how many digits are there, how many bytes are there, how many nibbles are there. For that case, we have to count. Otherwise, for example, this is number of bits, how many number of nibbles, and it is how many number of bytes. Number of bytes. So bits means you have to count the number which is given here. For example, this is the given number. So we will write here, this is the 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit and 6. So we can say it is a 6 bit number. So we can write as a bit here as a 6 bits. Okay. Now what about the nibble? I told you about that one. The nibble is the group of 4 bits, 4 digit. So for example, the nibble, just I write here again about the nibble group of 4 bits equal to 1 nibble. Now for this example, we will write this as, for example, we will write here this question same as 100,100. Okay. So what is the procedure to find out how many nibbles are there? You have to know, you have to count the digits from the right to left. How many? 4 bits. For example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one nibble. Okay. How many remainings are there? Only 2. We have the 2 digit here, or 2 bits. But 2 bit will not count as a nibble. So we can add 2 extra bit as a 0. Because if you write any number, any 0 to the, we will write 0 at any number with the left side, it will not be change the value of the number. For example, 5. This is the 5 number. If you write here 0, still it is a 5. Or again we will put a 0, still it is 5 number. Okay. But this 5 number, if you write the 0 at the right side, it will become 50. The value of the number will be changed. The same way, when we write the 0 at the left of the number, the value of the number will not be changed. So we are putting the 0 at the left, it will become one more 4 group of bits. So it is, we will make this 2, by adding this 2, 0 at the left of this number, we will make the 1 nibble. So in this case, we have the 2 nibbles. So we will write 2 nibbles here. Now what about if it is the remaining only 1 bit, or remaining only the 2 bit or 3 bit? You have to complete the 4 group. For example, the last number only here, the number is, for example, 10010. This is the number. We have group as 4 here, remaining only 1 number. So to make the group of the 4, we require more 30. So this 30 will become 1 more group. So this is the 1 group nibble, 2 nibble. Okay? Understand? I'm sure you will understand how to write the nibble or how to make a group of the 4 bits as a 1 nibble. Okay. Now come to the point. byte. What is the byte? Byte, group of 8 bit. 8 bits. Group of 8 bits. So group of the 8 bits we will call as a 1 byte here. Okay. Now come to the question here again. We need this number to be right in a byte 100, 100. Now how many bits are there? We have the 6 bit. We have 6 bit. But still we require the 2 bits to be complete the 8 bit. Again the same procedure. We will write the 0 at the left of the, we will add 2 0 at the left of the number, because when we add the 0 at the left of the number, the value of the number will not be changed. So in this way, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this complete group of 8 bits, it will call 1 byte. It will call 1 byte. Okay? So in this way, we can convert the number, the given digits, we will write in a bits as 6. By adding the 2 bits at the left of the number to make the group of the 4 bit, we will write as a 2 nibble, or we can write this as a 1 byte. Okay, by adding the 2 0 at the left of the number. Another example, I will take this one. Example 2. What is example 2? For example, we have the number 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Now tell me, how many bits are there? We have bits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It is a 11 bits. So we have the 11 bits. Okay. Now about the nibble, how many nibbles are there? How many nibbles are there? We have the group of the 4 bit. I will just rewrite again. 1 2. Okay. So make a group from the right, 4 digits, one group, 4 digits, another group. Remaining we have the 3. So what we will do? We will do only to add 1 0 to make the group of 4. So this will be another one more group. So group 1, group 2, group 3 of 4 bits. So this is called 3 nibbles. Now coming to the point of the bytes. In the byte, again I will rewrite this number 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Now how will this write as a byte? How can we write this byte? I told you about this one. The byte is a group of the 8 digit. We will count from the right. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One group. Now remaining we have only 3. So to make this 3 as a group of 8, how many zeros we required? We required 5 zeros to the left. So we can add 5 zeros at the left side. Now this will become 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We will make this another group. The group 1 and group 2, this will make 2 byte. So in this way we can calculate the number of bits, number of nibbles and number of bytes. Okay. You may have the another question is that example 3. 12 nibble. Opposite of these questions, 12 nibble equal to how many bits? How many bits? 12 nibble. As we know that one, the nibble is a group of 4 group of 4 digits. So we can multiply this number 12 by 4 we will get 12 by 4, it is a 48 bit. 48 bit. The number, the answer is 48 bit. Why this 4? This 4 is a nibble. So we have the group of the 4 as a nibble. So we have 12 nibble, means we are having the 48 bits. For example, 8 byte equal to how many bits? Another example. Example 4. 8 byte equal to how many bits? Same way, we can multiply 8 with byte means only 8 digits, 8 into 8, the answer will be 64. 64 bit. So answer is 64 bit. Okay. Another type of question is (256) bits equal to how many nibble or how many byte? How many nibble and how many bytes? So how can we find out the number of the nibbles and number of the bytes here for 256 bits? For that case, you have to divide this 256 by 4 for nibble. As we know that one, the group of 4 digits is equal to 1 nibble. So if you divide by 4, 256 by 4, the answer will be 64. Answer will be 64 nibble. 64 nibble. So answer is 64 nibble. Again, byte is 8, group of 8 bit. So we can divide again 256 by 8 equal to 256 divided by 8 equal to 32 bytes. So answer is 32 bytes. Okay. Now again, one more another type of question is example 6. 96 bytes equal to how many nibble? How can you find out this one? As we know that one, the byte 8 digit, nibble 4 digit. If you divide 8 divided by 4, you will get the answer 2. So 2 nibble means 1 byte. So the answer for 96 divided by 2, you will get the answer for nibble 48. 48. So in this way we can calculate the bytes to nibble, nibbles to bit, bit to byte. So I just, in summary, I will explain you about this one. Bits 0 or 1, nibble, we can convert into nibble 4 bits, and byte 8 bits. I need to convert from the bits to nibble. We have to divide by 4. Or I need to change from nibble to bits, we need to multiply by 4. Or I need to change from bits to byte, divide by 8, or from byte to nibble, bits, we have to multiply with 8. So this diagram you can easily understand how to convert it to different units. Again, from the nibble to byte, divide by 2, and bytes to nibble multiply by 2. So if you understand this summary, or this is the simple, how can we convert from the byte to nibble by the which value we have to divide or multiply, you can easily convert the all activities. Okay? So in this way you can do the activity as the last video I told you about how to convert megabytes, kilobyte and gigabyte. So please do the same practice like that one and complete the activity. In this way we can complete our video session here, and hope you will be complete this activity by the end of by Sunday, inshallah. Okay, thank you very much.